Hi, my name is Antonio Pavón Gómez and I am sales manager of Adidas Company. We are international sportswear company with many stories for the world. I'm going to talk about three products of the company. These three products are t-shirt, short and sneaker. The t-shirt you can choose from 5 colors: black, white, blue, green and red. It has drawing very nice. We have size S, M, L, X, XL for the men's and women's. The short. You can choose for 3 colors: black, white, and blue. We have size S, M, L, XL for the men's and women's. The sneakers. You can choose the combination for 2 colors: black and white or blue and white. We have size 35 till 45. These products are perfect for walking, running, gymnastics, for you doing all the sport you like it. You can some shopping alternatives. Calling be phone and the sales representative 555-444-333 or choosing for the catalog or our website www.adidas.com. We can deliver 10 products of each thing and the week, or 50 products of each thing and the month. The shipping in Spain is free and arrive on the 2 days. The shipping in Europe is 28 euros and arrive on the 4 or 6 day. For the rest of the world, 25 euros and arrive on the 5 or 10 days. The payment term must be immediately. You can choose credit card or bank transfer. For 15 products, you have 10% discount. Regards, sales of managers.